What's going on, guys? So welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I'm playing Happy's Humble Burger Farm, the long-awaited game that I've been wanting to play ever since this game came out. I know that originally there was like multiple demos. At one point the game was also called Happy's Humble Burger Barn, and this is Farm. So But before this video starts, I'd like to say that I'm also joined here with my sister once again.
Hi.
And I also want to give a huge shout out to Shock Siege, or known as Freddy X Plays, the one who gifted me this game. He's mainly been gifting me all the other games like Portal and stuff like that for me to play on the channel. So I'll leave a link down in the description to his channel. But without further ado, let's hop into the game. Toe is your coworker. He really likes well-done burgers. I don't know if I read that correctly.
What are they doing to you?
Test experiment?
So what would have installed in our own skulls? Wouldn't surprise me. We'd like to cut corners to save credit. They can't give us a raise after working here for years, but they'll blow all the money in the world on fancy mind-controlled chips. Well, this mind-control chip looks secure. That's this one. Right, let's get this over with. Say, what are you eating for lunch?
Appliances only work on shift. Customers don't like stale food. Huh. Well, I was gonna say at the beginning of this, the Scared Bitch live stream is going to be Friday. I have it scheduled to Monday, but it's actually gonna be Friday. And no, not today, Monday, like next Monday. Cook a burger. First, grab a bottom bun and place it on the assembly board. So this, and then is it E? How do I? Oh. It's bloody. Nobody likes the raw meat. Oh. Okay. Oh, it said bottom bun. I grabbed the burger. I'm gonna place one of every sandwich toppings. So. Oh, you can grab multiple things. I like that. Can you only hold 4? Oh, you can. I normally like to have the burger and then all the toppings on. Nice. That's just how I like it. I heard a cow. Was it like, oh. Oh, hey. I've seen the tutorial, but I don't remember this. Happy. I didn't get it. I didn't even get to read it. Was I not supposed to stare at it or what?
I think you were going towards it.
I wasn't going towards it. I was backing up. I was pressing S. Burgers have a nice habit of going bad when you're not looking. What? There's a health and energy. Go to work. Oh. User employee manual. We strongly recommend taking time and reference in the employee manual. Press tab at any time. Oh. Tutorial. Okay, first day. Introduction to your first day operation. Proceeds restaurant managers and okay. I like how there's like written notes on it as well. It says like, don't make too much early, it spoils fast. Prep while the meat cooks. Meal, fries plus cookies. Good. Pretty easy, huh? Make extra when you can. People order a lot at one. Okay.
Oh, I like how it says oink oink.
Where?
By the pig burger right here.
Oh. Cool. So, to make So to make the fantastic. Oh, well. So there's chicken for that. There's poppin' pork, so I need a slice of pork, and then Happy Deluxe is just beef. So basically all the same sandwiches except one's chicken, one's pork, and then one's, beef.
That man looks mad.
I don't really feel like reading all this. Then again, I can just read this in my own time. Total steps, so I've walked 1 step. Does it really record all that? It does. Well, here's my apartment. I'm gonna guess. Who was that? I can't. Okay. Like a TV. Oh, there's a coin. No. What? Okay.
Hey kid, good news. You're hired. And I'm your boss. The company had this communicator dropped off. All worker farm employees get one. It allows me to check in on you at any time. So behave yourself. They only work one way though, so you can't call me like ever. But trust me, if you need something, I'll know. Now don't be late for your first shift. Keep those customers happy. Get it?
Huh. Well, we got an action figure, I'm just gonna keep all my action figures up on that shelf. That's okay. I threw it at the wall. On the shelf, yeah. You stay in the corner, Happy. Not gonna question what we watch, but okay. It's our bathroom. It is, alright. Why does it look like there's something behind that? Can we move this? No. The door must be closed before locking it. Wait, we can lock doors? Oh, we can.
Why is there just a random dresser in there though?
Don't know. Nope. We can take a shower. Oh, this restores health and energy. Okay. No, I want to turn that off. Thank God it's... Hold on. I press 6. Okay. I want to change. What? Oh, I pressed quit. I almost... That looked a bit better. There we go. Not so laggy for you guys now. Also, yes, I don't have face cam on because I don't know where it went. Who are you? Toes room. Don't open, sleep inside. I got code? You Toes?
He's smelly.
Yeah. Okay, that's a nice wall you're looking at. Okay, we're gonna just run downstairs. Health and stamina, keep an eye on your... Oh, we have stamina? Where? Doesn't tell me that there's a bar. What do I mean by bar? I mean like stamina bar. Let's go outside. Burgers have a nasty habit of going bad while you're not looking. Okay. So I don't really understand that. When you're not looking. So I have to look at the burgers all the time? That'd be weird. Okay. What the?
New Elysian City. She's beautiful. If you're in the nice part of town. You're not. Maybe someday. A friend of mine who's in real estate told me it'll be its own little paradise. Someday. Anyway, better head to work, kid. Usually you could take the bus, but it's getting repaired today. So head left from your apartment and go straight through that creepy tunnel. You'll be late.
I think so.
Trust me.
He's weird. Oh, there's a construction site. Hey, fellas, let me in. Let me in. I mean, is there like a way to get in there somehow? What if there is? You coming, Toes? What if I run into you? You keep walking? Oh, you push me. Okay. Let's go, Toes. Bestest of friends. Not really. It's dangerous to cook alone. Take Toe. So I gotta. Okay. I gotta always take him with me. What if he just, like, doesn't come?
Toes?
Yeah, Toes.
No, I'm saying that because
Welcome
we're
to your home away from home. Happy's Humble Burger Farm. It's in disrepair, but don't worry. After a few shifts, it'll all be up and running. Consider it training. Today, all you gotta worry about is the grill. Your Happy's Deluxe, Fantastic Fowl, and Papa Pork Patties are all available in the walk-in freezer.
Do I really have to change? Like, is it really gonna, like, lag? When?
No stealing the product. So, anyways, if you need health or energy, buy an energy bar from the vending machine.
Okay, wait, hold on. Oh, what did I do? What did I do? Oh, I can't run that high. Okay. I accidentally put it. Okay. Go low. No, game. I didn't mean to. No, I want it at medium. No, I keep.
So turn on the lights and the oven. Climb
I'll help you
yourself in,
fast, happy
hit
old
the
pal.
open sign, get to work.
They speak. So if I just go and click on all of them, they speak to me.
A woodland compound? I mean, you're talking crazy, man. We left the barn to, like, escape tyranny, not create it, man.
Okay.
Now, come on, buds. Giving up isn't in our nature.
Okay. There's a play place? Okay. So that. Oh, that. No, we want lights on. We want to keep lights on at all time. What do you have to say?
Will you survive this dark and dreary night, where shadow hath turned into a sea, an ocean of regret, in which you now drown?
I don't like you. You got a big nose. I can punch you in the nose and hurt.
And his eyes are creepy.
Yeah, he has no eyes. I want to listen to the pig again.
Remember, buds, Abraham the audacious alpaca gave his life for us. We can't give up now.
A Roomba? Does he always say that?
You know, you boys are a bunch of smug swine.
Oh.
The Barnyard Buds are my real family, not you. I'm out of here.
So they each have individual, like, different voice lines, not just all one. Okay. Is this a salmon?
Get your stinking nets, hooks, and worms out of my face, fisherman.
Yep, it's a salmon. Well, I don't know what my task is. It says go to work. Okay, so I'm just like back here. Refer to your manual. It says business. Maybe management? Think so. It's fine. I'll learn. Wait! What?
What was that?
I don't know. I don't want to know. Toes?
That's not Toes.
Nope,
wait,
that's
yes, it
Toes.
is.
Why does he look skinny from this angle?
I know, that's what I thought. Wait, you calling him fat?
I mean, I'm being honest. I thought it was someone else from looking at this angle. But with Toes' big tummy, that's how you can tell.
His face kind of looks like a girl face.
No, that's what plants. Doing oh, do I gotta like clock in or something? Okay. You know that's an appliance is doing your shift. It is my shift. Sprinklers. Kitchen lights. Oh, nope, turn those back on. Yeah, we do have a flashlight. Okay, so that's all that. Do I gotta like, can I jump over that? No, I can, but I can't. You know, if this is real life, I just slide over the counter. Oh, okay. Finish your shift. Oh, so, we actually gotta cook, okay. Okay, time to cook. Time to start cooking. What? No, I'm gonna leave the door open just in case. Customers. Oh, I gotta turn appliances on, don't I? Can I turn them on now? I can. Let's go. Alright. Customer, what do you want? Probably get a bag ready.
Do you have to cook or does Toad cook?
I think he cooks as well. Alright, what do you want, sir? Happy Deluxe, no pickle. Got it. Where's the freaking grill? Oh, it's over here. Alright. Bottom bun. No pickle, so lettuce, cheese, onions, tomatoes. There we go. Cook faster. Stop laughing. You cooking faster? Oh, there we go. Give me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Alright, woman, what do you want? Oh, we got a time, okay. Fantastic fowl sandwich. No tomato. Got it. Okay, this is fun. Fantastic. Gimme. I'm pressing the wrong thing. Launch it. That didn't even land. Go. Okay, thank you. You there. Said no tomato, so you, and you. And then wait for person. Okay, settings, field. Turn my sensitivity up a little bit. There we go. Right, it said no tomato, right? Yeah. No tomato. How do I tell if this thing's cooked or not? Oh. Gimme. Item repair bag. How would I say? What do we got? We still got 3 minutes left. We got $17 so far. Poppin' pork. Alright. I think we're gonna get one of each sandwich. Just poppin' pork. No tomato. What was that? What was that?
What?
I heard like something get like thrown through the window. No tomato. Alright. I don't know when that's cooked. Okay. Nope. Take your order. Okay, we got 2 minutes. We gotta get money fast. Happy Deluxe, got it. Everything on it. We gotta go. We're gonna grab this.
Shut up.
Oh my goodness. No. No, get on. Thank you. I forgot too many items.
Get up. You're a papa son. And
Oh, frick. I can be faster at this, but I just won't let me. All right, have fun. We got still like a minute left. Come on, hurry up with your order. I can do this in a minute. Poppin' pork, no lettuce, no lettuce. Poppin' pork, poppin' pork. Go, 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 go. It said no lettuce, right? No lettuce. I'm gonna guess. That's on the grill. I hear it cooking, but I'm just gonna move that. No lettuce. Who like just doesn't have lettuce on their sandwiches, man? Like, I mean, I don't do no tomato, and I can understand why. What? No, that gets rid of my order. I didn't know that's what it did. You done cooking? Hurry, please. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Grab the bun. Gimme, gimme, gimme. We had 9 seconds left. He moved. Happy select no cheese. Well, I can't really get that far with it, can I? Yeah, shift is finished. Great job. I'm loving it. Okay.
Wait, is that the farmer guy?
Yeah, farmer guy moved.
Many have fallen by my side, and still many more will fall in the future. My sickle forever stained with their repugnant likeness.
Oh, wait. Okay, he still has eyes. Okay. Anything, like, bad happen here? No? Okay, time to close. Let me turn appliances off. We got $58 from that. Wow. Oh, they just automatically turn off. Can I like anything back here? Oh. Is that a mouse that's just like... Hold on. Can I grab this? Oh, I can. Ew. Wait, I can... What is that? Is that just a light on it? What is this?
I'm gonna go inside and make sure nobody moved. Oh.
Farmer's moving back. Can I like push you? No. Still got a big nose. Wait. Why are you shorter now? Yeah, I was like, I'm going through your hat. I was like going through your nose. Why are you getting shorter?
If we keep digging, we'll surely beat the farmer and Horatio.
Okay, what if I just turn on all your voice signs at once?
These wings weren't made for flying. Why don't you throw on some scuba diving
into bacon or beef patties
and
or
fuck me
barbecue
like a
wings.
fish, tough guy?
Okay, well I'm taking this home with me. I don't know what it is. Toes, will you eat this? I don't know what this is. Okay. I was just reading what the bottom thing said. So, alright, Farmer Tim, that's what I'm gonna call you. Oh, doors are wide open. Alright, Farmer Tim, I can't. I'm gonna leave you be. Farmer Tim. You need to, oh, I need to clock out before I leave. Okay. Can I like speed run this real quick? Clocking out, Toes. Don't mind me. Clock out. Employee of the month. Okay. Alright, Toes, you coming? No? Okay, bye, Toes. You know, you can just finish up everything. I'm taking this weird, like, lava can home with me. We're going home. Petty used patty bomb. It's super effective. Okay. Oh, Toes is coming. Let's go, Toes. To home. Where does this go? Okay, I know there's a lot of signs like pointing me directly at Happy's Humble Burger Farm. Quilk here?
Out of the membrane.
There's a... I didn't just buy that, did I? No, I didn't. Oh, well, I thought that... Oh, I found it. You found a collectible. Find and view it at your apartment. Oh, so there's collectibles around. So if I just find it, I can, like, find and view it. What is going on back here? I don't know. There's more shops back here. There's Steal and Sell, Saloon plus Spa. I think it says CNG, and then Ronaldo's Muscles. You can go to Steal and Sell. Wait, is this another? Any of these? No. Okay. You can purchase some pretty interesting. Are you smoking? That's not good for you. Okay. What's this? That's a tape.
Steal and Sell. The one place in New Allegiant City you can buy radio transmitters and other rare and weird items. You might even be able to sell some things or two for some credits, but you aren't making money on the side, are you? We've got extra shifts available, you know.
Okay. There's a Jackolantern. Old vase. Digital camera. Bobo cell battery. Humble bar. FN transmitter trip. Transmitter trip. Jog dudes portal radio. Bobo cell battery single. Oh, this is where I can get all the other action figures. I might actually do that. Wait. What was this? Fail unlucky test. A ticket 1 in 10 characters winning up to 20 credits, or I guess $20. Okay, we'll come back to this maybe in a later episode or something. Can I like? Oh, there's no fence here. I could have just walked over there. Okay. Well, Toes is probably already at home. What is this? Triple J's Jazzy Java Point. What the frick? Okay, hold on. I want to go inside. This is like FNAF right here. Hold on. Yeah, this is like literally like FNAF in a way. Yeah, Bonnie doing... I don't know why Freddy would have the guitar, but, you know, Freddy, Bonnie, and Chica. Chica would fit the drums. Foxy maybe on this, and then Bonnie. There's no Freddy. Okay. Freddy's just gone. You don't have a singer. You guys all look disappointed. Okay, but I still got this lava can. Don't know why, but okay. New Museum. Oh, there's a museum. What was that? I don't like that noise, but okay. Okay. Happy some book from. Oh, they cleared the disaster, whatever it was over here. Okay, well I can go home now. Right, this is my home, right? You're fired. What? Oh, you fried. Oh, never mind. I read that wrong. I thought it said you fired. You fried. I fried what? I mean, if I had some burgers up, I can't get up the stairs. There's my room. Is this my room? Yeah, I got number 5. Oh, my... Oh, all my collectibles go in here. Go to sleep. What if I don't want to go to sleep? Top 10 dream jobs. Oh, I didn't even get to read that. Okay. Oh, I can get out here and grab the coin. No, let me out. You found a token. Use it to upgrade the restaurant. Oh, okay. There's a tape here.
The Burger Farm employee, Toe, is just 35 years old, and yet his brain activity has aged into that of an 87-year-old. He has lost the ability to perform his tasks in the restaurant, staring listlessly at burning patties. It's a wonder he hasn't burnt the place down. I've observed the same deterioration in the radio host Maverick Cooper. Most of the other test subjects have perished or disappeared, like E7. I will be ordering the extraction of Toe and Maverick when I depart. Hopefully they can regain cognitive function with rehabilitation.
Okay. Did I not, like, get it on my collectibles?
Steal and sell.
Oh, no. Stop.
The one place at New Allegiant City you
No, I
can buy
already listened to
radio
this. I already listened to this.
transmitters
I already
and
listened to
other
this.
Weird items. You might even
No, I
be
didn't
able
wanna-
to sell
okay, I'm
some
going to bed.
things
Good night. Have a
too
nice
for
night.
some credits, but you are making money on the
So if the
side,
customers
aren't you?
well or Happy
We've
will
got
get
extra
mad,
tips available.
you won't like it when Happy gets mad. Why is there a random jack-o'-lantern? Why is there... There's a random jack-o'-lantern. They're coming with me now. There's jack-o'-lanterns all over, you know, I'm grabbing all of them. But, Toes, you want some jack-o'-lanterns? You know, I'll grab this one as well. Here, take a jack-o'-lantern. Take another one. You know, take another one. You want some more? You know, I'll throw this dodgeball ball at you. Here, Toe, meet Toe. He's your neighbor and your best friend. He's not... Oh, hey, I don't like that walking you towards me. Hey. Hey, take another ball right to the face. That was not the face. I cannot throw in this game. Take a ball to the face. That was your arm, but it still works. Okay, well, you know, I'm just gonna run straight to my apartment room without you coming in whatsoever. There's a ball here. You know what? You. Lock the door. Toes is scary. You're scary. I don't like your smile. Can I turn off the TV? I can mute it. Do I have a cat? Am I the cat? Yeah, you know, I'll just sleep right here. No. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. That was Happy's Humble Burger Farm. If you guys want to see more of this game, just don't like how I locked the door. I locked the lock. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end today's video here. That was Happy's Humble Burger Farm. Next video we will continue this game and see where what we have to do next. Overall, this game's pretty fun. You can just jump off the balcony. Appliances only work on shift. Where am I? What? Hold on. Is it behind the place? Wait, can I just like jump up there and it puts me? No. Wait, can I jump? Why do these ones have porches but they don't? Wait. Oh yeah, this is just behind the place. Okay. What am I, guys? Yeah, that was Happy's Humble Burger Farm. Overall, I rate this game pretty good. I like the game. There's just like some parts of this game that are I'm kind of questioning about. Like, why is it like is the last update of this game like Halloween? Is that why there's a lot of Halloween stuff? Praise the bun. Overall, this game's real fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.